Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how I use these stackable presents from Dollar Tree and a couple of their blow-ups in the Christmas section to create this adorable arch. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Let's get started. I went back and forth a lot with this arch this year, but with the supplies that I could find at Dollar Tree, this is what I landed on. So I'm going to start off with these inflatables in the Christmas section. I got one of the 4-foot Santas and one of the 4-foot Christmas trees. You can see here that it tells you to fill the bottoms of them with water first before you blow them up. So that is what I did just with the faucet. It helps to weigh them down so that way they don't fly away. They do come with ties and stakes to stake them in the yard as well, but you do need to weigh them down because they're really lightweight. So after I did that, I just tied the ties on and staked them right into my mulch bed. And we had some high winds that evening and they stayed really well in place. Now for the actual arch part, I'm going to be using 2 of these broom handles from Dollar Tree. I just took the tops off of them. Now I'm going to make my Santa Claus look like it's holding the presents on one side and passing it over to the Christmas tree. So I want to put one of the broom handles behind the Santa Claus's hand and the other one on the side of the Christmas tree. I used 5 sets of the stackable gift boxes from Dollar Tree. And that was all I could find. I needed more, but that's all I could find. So to make my gift boxes suspend on the one side and not go all the way down the pole, I'm going to use this washer and just screw it on to the broom handle where I want the gift box to sit. Now, as you can see here, the gift box has a giant hole in the bottom and the top. So I need to cover that hole in the bottom of my gift box a little bit. So I had this scrap piece of wood. It's not very thick, and I just cut it to size. You can get scrap pieces of wood from Dollar Tree. You'll just have to cut it to size. And then I hot glued that piece of wood into the bottom of my gift box. And then I'm taking a 1-inch drill bit and I'm just drilling a hole in the center of my piece of wood. Once I got that hole drilled, I was able to fit that right over my broom handle, and then that stopper was able to just hold up my gift box, and then the hand just kind of slid right underneath that gift box. And then I went ahead and attached the green gift box to the blue gift box. Now before I'm going to do the pink one, I'm going to go ahead and make my arch part. So I got this PVC pipe at Home Depot for like $5 or $6. It's 10 foot long and it's a 1/2 inch. So it fits perfectly down inside the broom handle. So I just inserted it into one side, and then it is very flexible, so I just bent it over to the other side of the broom handle. Now you can see here I had to kind of pull it up and adjust it to make it a little bit taller. So I wanted to add a stopper on each side, so I picked up these connectors that go on the end of the PVC pipe, and I picked up 2 more pieces of PVC pipe that were 24 inches long. And I'm just going to connect that to each end of where my PVC pipe goes into my broom handle, and then it just stops it so that way my PVC pipe doesn't fall all the way down into the broom handle. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the pink gift boxes out. Now, the pink gift boxes do have holes in them because of the bows that come with them, but they aren't big enough to go through the PVC pipe. So I had to get my Dremel tool out, and I just Dremeled a square into all of the pink boxes, and that worked perfectly. I went ahead and added another full set of gift boxes to the other side where the tree is. And now it's time to start stacking the rest of the gift boxes. So as you can see here, if I stack this blue gift box on top of that pink one, it's just going to go right through that. So I need a bottom on my blue gift boxes. So I found these picture frames in the craft section at Dollar Tree with the hearts cut out in them, and they fit perfectly inside these boxes to cover the hole. And then it also has the hole already with the heart, so you don't have to drill another hole. So I just hot glued that picture frame down into the rest of the blue boxes. And then as you can see, it fits perfectly on top of the pink box. And then I just went ahead and added my green and pink box on top of that, with the pink box having the hole cut out a little bit bigger. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add another set with one of those heart picture frames in the bottom of the blue box. And then I'm gonna add the last set to the other side. Again, the blue one has the picture frame and the pink one has a bigger hole cut. And then I couldn't find any more gift boxes, so I had to give up because I looked very, very hard for more gift boxes and couldn't find any more. So the gap I had to fill with some greenery. I just used the 50-foot garland from Dollar Tree and cut it into smaller pieces and wrapped that all around the pole that you could see. And then I just went ahead, once I wrapped that greenery around, and added those plastic bows back that were on top of the gift boxes originally. They just insert right into those holes, and it fits tightly because of the pipe. And then I just lastly went ahead and wrapped the whole thing with some colored Christmas lights that I had. I used 2 strands to wrap all the way around, and I wrapped it around the Santa and the Christmas tree just to give it a little bit extra effect. And I think this turned out really cute. It wasn't exactly how I had envisioned it in the beginning, but I think it works out perfectly. If I do find some more gift boxes later on, I might go ahead and add those to the other side. But even if I don't, I still think it turned out great. This does stand just about 6 feet tall, and I think that it works out perfectly for our entry walkway coming up to our house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a Santa emoji down in the comments below if you made it all the way through the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays. Take care. Bye-bye.